The transformative power of Kapalabhati, cleansing breath. In the journey of yoga, breath is more than just a biological function, it is life, energy, and intention. Kapalabhati, or cleansing breath, stands as one of the most invigorating techniques, offering a clear path to inner vitality and focus. Let it remind you that with every breath, you have the power to rejuvenate your mind, body, and spirit. Together, let us dive into this transformative practice to ignite your inner energy and light. Kapalabhati, meaning skull-shining breath, is a dynamic breathing technique that revitalizes the entire being. It combines quick, intentional exhales and passive, effortless inhales. Unlike other pranayamas, Kapalabhati is categorized as a kriya, or cleansing practice, to detoxify the body and invigorate the mind. This practice awakens your energy from within, purifies your respiratory system, and sharpens mental clarity. Let Kapalabhati serve as your go-to tool for conquering mental fog and harnessing the strength needed to navigate your day with focus and enthusiasm. Key benefits of Kapalabhati breath: increases energy and vitality. The forceful exhales create an immediate energy surge, recharging both your mind and body. Clears the mind and enhances focus. Oxygenation of the brain leads to better clarity, heightened mental precision, and improved concentration. Cleanses the respiratory system. This technique flushes out toxins, clears nasal passages, and improves overall respiratory health. Let Kapalabhati be your daily reminder of the boundless energy within you. Every component of Kapalabhati breath aligns your body toward greater health and equilibrium. At its core, the rhythmic motion of this technique engages your diaphragm and abdominal muscles, creating a purposeful flow of breath that purifies and enhances. How it works: rapid expulsion of carbon dioxide. With each sharp exhale, you release carbon dioxide quickly, inviting fresh oxygen into the body on every passive inhale. Strengthens core muscles. With each contraction, Kapalabhati strengthens the diaphragm and abdominal muscles, improving lung capacity and core strength. Activates the sympathetic nervous system. Through heightened alertness, circulation, and heart rate, Kapalabhati energizes the body and keeps you awake and focused. This process is your call to live with greater vibrancy, as every breath fuels a more empowered and centered self. Begin your journey with mindful intention. Kapalabhati's beauty lies not just in technique, but in its ability to help you reconnect with your inner energy. Step-by-step guide. 1. Find a comfortable seated position. Sit tall with your spine aligned, shoulders soft, and hands resting on your knees. Close your eyes and take a few grounding breaths. 2. Inhale deeply to prepare. Fill your lungs slowly and deeply, anchoring your awareness to the present moment. 3. Begin forceful exhales. Sharply contract your abdominal muscles, forcing air out through the nose in quick, rhythmic bursts. 4. Allow passive inhales. Let the inhale happen naturally after each exhale without exerting additional effort. 5. Continue the cycle. Perform 20 to 30 rounds of exhales as one complete set. Rest briefly, then repeat for 2 to 3 cycles as needed. Practice tips. Start gently, focus on quality over speed, and increase rounds gradually. Prioritize the exhale, trusting the inhale will follow instinctively. Every session invites you to embrace vitality and presence fully. Kapalabhati is more than just a breathing exercise, it's a daily practice of renewal. Its advantages ripple through your physical, mental, and emotional states, infusing energy into every aspect of your life. Boosts energy and focus. Kapalabhati combats fatigue by oxygenating the brain and refreshing your energy supply. Supports respiratory health. The lungs are strengthened, mucus is cleared, and the respiratory system operates at peak performance. Stimulates digestion and metabolism. Regular practice energizes your digestive organs, promoting efficiency in metabolism and detoxification. Each breath brings you closer to your potential. Integrating Kapalabhati into your life is simple, and the benefits are profound. Let it empower your mornings and rekindle your focus during midday slumps. Morning Energizer. Begin your day with Kapalabhati to awaken your mind and energize your body, making caffeine unnecessary. Pre-yoga or physical activity prep. Use it as a prelude to energize your yoga flow or physical routines. Midday reset. When tasks weigh heavy, take a moment to refresh yourself through the cleansing rhythm of Kapalabhati. Every moment spent with Kapalabhati is a gift of mindfulness and strength. As transformative as Kapalabhati can be, it's essential to practice responsibly. Avoid Kapalabhati if you experience respiratory ailments, including sinus issues or asthma. Pregnant individuals should refrain from this practice due to the abdominal involvement. Always listen to your body. Stop if you feel dizzy and resume only when you feel centered. Caution ensures your practice remains safe and effective. As with any practice, challenges often surface. Trust the process and use these tips for continued growth. Strive for rhythm, even if slow at first. Progress comes with consistency. Feeling lightheaded signifies overexertion. Scale back until it feels balanced. Let go of controlling the inhale. Focus entirely on the power and intention of the exhale. Perfection isn't the goal, presence is. Consider these prompts as you integrate Kapalabhati into your daily rhythm. How do you feel physically and mentally after practicing? What moments in your life could benefit most from Kapalabhati's energizing effects? How can this daily ritual enhance your focus, clarity, and joy? With every breath, Kapalabhati encourages you to meet your best self, intentional, energized, and radiant. Let it guide you toward a life of greater balance and inner light.